Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of construction with a game-changer in piling technology. Get ready, because we're about to unveil the best electric T-post driver on the market. Introducing the HIGOSPRO 2200W electric T-post driver, a powerhouse tool designed to revolutionize your piling projects. From highway guardrails to farm fences, this electric pile driver is built to tackle it all with ease. Let's talk power. With its 2200W electric engine, this beast offers unmatched stability, efficiency, and raw power. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to streamlined productivity. But power is nothing without control. That's why the HIGOSPRO electric T-post driver features an ergonomic design with a rubber plastic sponge handle. Say goodbye to recoil and hello to comfortable, controlled operation. And check this out, it comes with a variety of accessories, including socket sleeves, wrenches, gloves, and glasses. High-quality accessories ensure maximum efficiency on every job. Now, let's talk applications. Whether you're working on highway guardrails, farm fences, forestry seedlings, vineyard supports, or orchard protection, this versatile tool has got you covered. That wraps up our review of the HIGOSPRO 2200W electric T-post driver. If you're ready to take your piling projects to the next level, this is the tool for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy piling!